This video is related to what is known as my initial value problems. So in this video I will solve a problem to demonstrate how to solve initial value problem for a first order ordinary differential equation, also known as FODE, that is a first order ordinary differential equation. So there are many ways to solve this problem, and this problem has been formulated by me myself, and while the steps which I will follow to solve is to find a solution in terms of y as the first thing. Solve the problem to find y in terms of x plus c. So this x could be any value, and the first step is to get this, and the next step is to find c for initial value of y and x. Then substitute c in equation. This is equation 1 which I found in equation 1, and it's also possible to recheck whether what you have found is correct by substituting x is equal to whatever value which is there for x equal to 0, and finding if you are getting the y correct or not. So this is a method which I will follow, and whatever is, so my question is a linear or first order differential equation which is given by y is equal to, or dy by dx is equal to e raised to 4x plus 2y. So this is my question, and my initial condition is y of 0 is equal to 0. So this is what is my initial condition, and what this means is that when my x is equal to 0, my y is equal to also 0. So in this case, when x is equal to y is equal to 0, but it is possible that when your x equal to 0, y might have some value like a pi by 2, 1.5, etc., depending on the kind of function which is there. So the first step is to integrate this, and this will be written as e raised to 4. This could be written as e raised to 4x into e raised to 2x, and this is equal to, and this is equal to dy by two y is equal to dx into e raised to 4x. So I will get dy into e raised to minus 2y is equal to dx into e raised to 4x plus so this is what I am getting, or how I am simplifying the equation. And next what I can do is that I will integrate this and integrate this, and what I will, so my aim is to find y in terms of x plus c. So when I am integrating this, I will get e raised to minus 2y divided by minus 2 is equal to e raised to 4x divided by 4 plus c. So this is my equation 1 which I want. Now the next step is putting the initial value problem, which is equal to x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. So when I am putting my x equal to 0, what I will get is minus of, or minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4 is plus c. So my C is equal to minus of 3 by 4 if you are solving this. So this is whatever value of C which I got. So my general solution will be, general solution for this equation was something like y is equal to or to find out the general solution, again I will have to uh, put it. So we are finding the initial value problem. So the next step is to substitute the value of C. So it is e raised to minus 2y divided by 2 is equal to e raised to 4x by 4 minus of 3 by 4. So my e raised to minus 2y can be written as e raised to 4x by 2 minus of e raised to 4x by 2 plus of 3 by 2. So again I need to find my equation in terms of y to get it in this way which I want. So if I am writing it here, so if I am taking this to find out y, I can take the log of this, and by taking the log of this what I find is minus 2y is equal to ln of e raised to minus 4x divided by 2 plus 3 by 2. So my y is equal to minus of 1 by 2 ln of e raised to minus 4x by 2 plus 3 by 2. So this is what is my general solution considering, or the solution of the initial value problem, or a particular solution considering my initial value. So now one thing is that here is no C here, and if you want to validate whatever you have got is correct or not, so if I simply take my x equal to 0 which was my initial value, so what I will find is half of ln of 1 on solving this, which is equal to 0. So whatever I have solved is correct. So when my x equal to 0, my y is equal to 0, and this is the solution of the initial value problem, or general solution of the initial value problem. And or I can say this is whenever this whichever I am getting is, if I am putting here C, this, then this will become my general solution, and this is my particular solution with respect to the initial value problem. So, or with respect to the initial value. So this is my particular solution with respect to the initial value, and this is whatever is my general solution if I am taking it this, replacing this by my C. So whatever I will be getting will be my particular or general solution. So this is how to solve the initial value problem when you will be given y of 0 is equal to some value, which could be, in this case the y of 0 was equal to 0, which meant that when x is equal to 0, y was also equal to 0.